Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Everlasting Comfort Ozone Deodorizing Boot Dryer. Dries boots and other things in less than 80 minutes. Shoes, gloves, bike helmets, hats. This gets excellent Amazon customer ratings, and this company provides a full 2-year replacement guarantee. This will dry most garments and boots in typically less than 80 minutes. And typically when you have something like a wet boot or a glove, it could take 2 or 3 days to dry normally. What's really unique about this is it has forced air that comes out of all 4 of these zones right here. Air comes in here and it gets pushed out and it gets heated. You have a choice of heat or no heat. We're going to show close-ups of this. And it has an ozone built in. And a mechanical timer allows you to go up to 180 minutes. And on the back of this, it's really cool. It's got the plug that you just wrap around just like that. So if you look right here, there is an ETL rating on there, and that's really important because it shows that this has been tested for materials and electrical safety. Also notice on the bottom are these little removable feet that you can remove and clean, and they're on all 4 corners, and they provide the stability for this when it's on a solid floor. But they also allow any water to flow through here and go right down into these so it won't go on your floor. And these tubes that are on here have openings in them, so if any water intrudes inside here, it goes in the center of this down to this channel, and it goes right to the bottom of these little trays. That's really, really clever. Here I have a light shining on the bottom where this little tray is, and you see the light comes right through, so water will collect in the bottom instead of going on your floor. And these are removable. If you want to clean them, you just turn them and pull them out so that you could clean them, put them back in, and rotate, and they lock in place. Another thing really neat is these are totally adjustable. You just lift them up, and that way you can have different heights of your boots or whatever you're drying, and they will lock in the up position. You can see right there, and all you do is push this piece in and you can drop it back down. And the same goes for the ones on the back. They're adjustable. You can lift them up and lock them in place and push the 2 pieces right there. They also hold in place at all different positions. And then you see the boot holders has adjustment arms, and they also lock down in place depending on your boot. So you have a full wide range of adjustments for the boot, the glove, the height, and the position of it on here. Very handy. And I also love that this comes with a 6-foot long 120 volt USA plug, so that you can easily plug this at an outlet and move it wherever you need to have it in a room. So now I have it plugged in. And let's show the easy operation on here. You rotate this to whatever time you want, minutes. You hear the fan is taking air in right here, and the air is being blown into all 4 of these channels right there. Now this is room temperature air. It's 68 degrees. Now if you turn heat on, what it's going to do, it's going to take the incoming air. It's going to run it through a series of coils to heat the air up, and now the air coming out of here is heated. I can feel the warmth. Let's just check right here. So you see it's going up, 72. So now it's got warm air coming out of here, which is nice. That's what's going to accelerate the drying. And this timer could be stopped whenever you want. You don't have to wait to the full 180. And then also, in addition to heat, if you want to have ozone, you hear that buzzing sound? That's the high voltage circuitry inside here that's creating ozone, and that ozone will clean whatever you're putting on here. So now you have temperature, like we did before, but you also have ozone, and you can actually smell the ozone. And what that'll do, that'll clean any bacteria or mold. And that's really cool because a lot of times your boots get all wet and moldy. This is going to solve that problem. Really nice. And it also has this really nice handle, all smooth, so that you can lift this. And this isn't heavy at all. So here I have some boots and some winter gloves. And what's really nice is you could just spray a little water in them and put the ozone on. And what it's going to do, it's going to freshen them up. Even if they weren't used and all wet, freshens them up from the ozone, does the final drying on there. So this works really well. I can feel the warmth on the gloves right here, and it'll dry up your wet boots in a couple hours, but it'll also freshen up your boots and your gloves with that ozone. Here's another excellent application for this product. You have your bags that you use to put in some of your groceries, and you don't want to just throw them out after one use. You can use them many times, so you wash them out and they take forever to dry. And now you can put them on this dryer with the ozone, and then they get all sanitized and dry. So that is going to save you all that aggravation and the money of just throwing these bags out. You can now reuse them safely. So after testing, what do I think about the Everlasting Comfort Ozone Deodorizing Boot Dryer? This is a really cool product, very well thought out engineering. You could freshen up your boots, you could dry your boots. The ozone will freshen things up. Works well, simple timer operation, choice of heat or air or ozone, and with those excellent idea to let the water drain into the base right there, and the ability to dry the grocery bags like I showed. This is an excellent value, and I'm impressed with the engineering of this. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icons so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.